Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore Odoo POS Pre-Sale Receipt module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. This is our Odoo backend. Then, navigate to Apps and search for POS Pre-Sale Receipt. As you can see, the POS Pre-Sale Receipt module is already installed. Now, navigate to Point of Sale, then go to Configuration and click on Settings. Once it opens, scroll down to Bills and Receipts section and make sure the Pre-Sale Receipt checkbox is enabled. Then click the Save button. Once the changes are saved, go to the dashboard and open the register. Select any product, then click the Action button. Here, you can see the Pre-Sale Receipt button. Click on it. A pre-sale receipt will be displayed, where you can view the order details. You can also print the receipt or send it to the customer. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.